I'm Nick Moore. I'm from Florida, just outside of Destin, and I'm really looking forward to bringing this concrete, honestly, art and practicability to the state. So, I think it was a really eye-opening experience. I came here to do the poured cast-in-place countertop, and I've really seen that there's a whole lot more possibilities to it. So I really thought the course was a really great thing.
So the course was awesome. Everything on the agenda was covered in the time frame that was allotted in the schedule, and there was a lot of hands-on and experience, as well as a didactic portion, which helped, and it was pretty evenly spread, favoring more the hands-on portion of the course as well. They were very generous with the materials that were used. Everybody in the class, about
25, 30 people.
My name is James Sanchez, and actually from New Mexico, and I live right now in Clinton, Connecticut. I love the course. I can't imagine it getting any better, actually. One thing I really love that it did for me was it really opened up my imagination, because now it's just creativity.